where you are looking to be going to the quarterfinals, Richard?
Yeah, indeed. The mistakes always do cost you. I'm sure on Wednesday, those that were tuned on here on Atonso TV, you witnessed that mistake that was done by Manika Diamond goalkeeper, that's Joram Muchambo. And it went on to cost the team, and they drew 1-1. And actually, after that game, during the post-match interview, their coach actually cried foul for that mistake. But, well, a human being, every player is a human being, and human beings do make mistakes. So we have to just be patient with these players at times. We also have to understand that they are human beings. Now, Garat Madake behind that one to take a corner kick. Let's see how he takes that corner kick. A delivery into the box, a header, a glancing one, but no one was there for Cranborne Bullets to finish, for Black Rhinos to finish it off. Outside it goes. A throw-in in favor of Black Rhinos Football Club. And it's again Garat Madake. Quickly taken there. A chest control. A shot. But to Farai Banda, the captain, who calms it down. But still in possession of the ball. Tawanda Macheke trying to play a through pass. A shot there. The goalkeeper in the scene. His second goal in the Chibuku Super Cup. Tawanda Macheke for Black Rhinos. And they are just in front here at Sakuva Stadium. Chawia Chipembere. They take a lead here. That's at Sakuva Stadium. Tawanda Macheke being that man.
Amazing goal it was, but
close. That is to Lincoln Zwasia, their most experienced veteran defender, the one that they signed during the long COVID-19 break within July transfer, that is the mid-year transfer. And now they place it now down the channel into the middle of the park. They find Lincoln Zwasia once again to the captain, Wanda Kapinda. This is Kapinda. Kapinda to Chiripa Wako Kelvin, 27 years old. Throw pass now to Malvin Wata, 23 years old for you. A switch down to the other channel. Wanda Kapinda with an option, a through pass to Malvin Wata. This is Wata with a chance, still localizing it, a shot. This might be in, and it's in. And it's a goal here. Yes, it is. Who else other than the evergreen Malvin Wata? He's goal number 36 in the colors of Cranborne Bullets. Goal number 3 in the Chibuku Super Cup. Well, he was that man that we were talking about during the halftime analysis, Dara. And he has come to the party once again. They call him at Bayo. Malvin Wata.
Amazing goal there.
Feremba Everson. Probably Yabo has seen something here, Dara.
Amazing. I'm just wondering why he's choosing to come out off the field through that side. Maybe frustration coming in as a substitute and being sent out again as a substitute. But his presence was not really felt as he came in as a substitute, and now again leaving the game as a substitute. These are moments that frustrate players.
So it was double pay of substitute that being done by both sides. Alan Gaadzikwa now, the veteran coming in, that is for Black Rhinos Football Club. Alan Gaadzikwa has been introduced, jersey number 37, one of the most experienced players that they have within their ranks. Formerly played for FC Platinum, formerly played for Motor Action. He was named the Bangay BC soccer staff. This might be a chance here. What a Malvin with a goal here. Goal number 37. He's 31. A brace for him this afternoon. They call him at Bayo, and he's living to that nickname. Malvin Wata for Cranborne Bullets. They are now in the driving seat, the Hurricanes. And now the question will come into play. Who will stop the Hurricanes here at Sakuva Stadium?
Amazing celebration from their goalkeeper. He came in, as you were saying, that he's known for being dramatic. I saw him do a double flip here as he celebrated